Kublai pi baro kini gilonggi kubor bamda kasngi. U menteri rangba kejela u Conrad K.Sangma. Ula Plie ba ya ko office jong ka Amlarem Civil Subdivision ha kejingyalang kabla long ha Amlarem menta kasngi. Ha kini kasngi bakerpang ula don ringkat lang bat uba lakman rimbui menteri ka pulia puthi bat u MLA jong ka Amlarem constituency lembat ki he sorkar bar ki ba nong shnong nakeleng kathan. Ha ka jingpran jung menteri rangba ula ong ba ka jingpli ya kani ko office kadai ka benta ka bakraw ha ka jingtrang jung ka sarkar ban pinrius pa ya ka jing sinshar ba ban wanra ka jingsuk jingba shakinong shongshnang ka sarkar ka don ka thong ban wan pinyar ya ki office sarkar shakil lengi jaka ba jungai khnang ban yarap ya ki ba ha ka jing pinbit pinbiang ya ki kam sarkar bar ki jing shakri ba la ong ukonran Uba lakman rumbui pat ha ka jing pran jong u ulapan pau ka jing smokeman ka bakraw ba ka Amlarem kalayo yala ka jong ka civil subdivision ka balong ka jingyo benta ka badan kambha ban kentiu ya ka roy kapar ha ka ni ka than.
1, 2. Guys, same structures everywhere. All the separate things have got their own rooms now. Good. So you'll start functioning from here soon?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have fixed. I mean, we have the furniture, so we have got to see for this.
Now here where the PHC was here in Judge in Amlarem, and as you can see, this has been now upgraded into a civil a subdivision hospital, and the work is going on, and the construction is going on at full pace. So we're very hopeful that this will also be completed very soon. Thank you so much.